Hello everyone, let we do the correct answer of this expression. 9 plus 12 divided by 4 times 2. Are you ready to do the correct answer of this problem? Thank you. In order to get the correct answer of this expression, we have to follow the order of operation PEMDAS, okay? So, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this division. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority from left to right. Therefore, this division has higher priority than this multiplication. Therefore, 12 divided by 4, which equals 3. Okay, here 9 plus 3 times 2. So in this expression also, one addition and one multiplication. This multiplication has higher priority than this addition because according to PEMDAS, multiplication comes before addition. Then 3 times 2 is just 6. Then here 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. Therefore, the correct answer of this problem is 15. Correct answer of this problem is 15.